Welcome. Today, you'll learn exactly how to see account info using the About This Account feature on Instagram, updated for 2025. Whether you want to check an account's authenticity, see its history, or just satisfy your curiosity, this tool gives you valuable insights in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the profile of the account you want to learn more about. You can do this by searching for their username or tapping on their name wherever you find it in your feed or stories. Once you're on their profile page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select About This Account. This is where Instagram reveals key details about the account's background and activity. Inside the About This Account section, you'll find a range of information designed to help you understand more about the account's history and legitimacy. Here's what you can typically see. The date the account was created, so you know how long it's been active. The country where the account is based, giving you a sense of its origin. Any former usernames the account has used in the past year, which can be helpful to spot rebranding or suspicious changes. Shared followers, so you can see if you have mutual connections. In some cases, you might also see current ads the account is running. This feature is especially useful if you're checking out a popular, verified, or business account, but it can also appear for other profiles with a significant audience. Instagram introduced About This Account to boost transparency and help users make informed decisions about who they follow and interact with. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can access important background info and feel more confident about the accounts you engage with. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience.